As the days get longer and sunnier, everyone starts dreaming of backyard barbecues, reading on the patio, or hanging out with friends outdoors. Before you plan your next get-together, take a minute to walk through your yard and give it a quick post-winter hardscape checkup. Winter's fluctuating temps, rain and snowfall, and constant moisture can take a toll on outdoor surfaces. But with a simple inspection, you can catch small issues before they become major headaches and potentially save thousands in future repairs. Let's talk about why winter can be so tough on outdoor surfaces. When water seeps into materials like concrete and then freezes, it expands by nearly 10%, creating pressure that leads to cracks and damage. Even if you live in an area where snow isn't an issue, winter can be harsh on outdoor surfaces. But here's the good news: if you have pavers rather than concrete, you're already ahead of the game. Because they're designed to flex with ground movement and evenly distribute weight, pavers can handle twice the pressure of concrete without cracking or crumbling. Start your post-winter inspection with your driveways and walkways. Typically, these are what take the most abuse. For concrete or asphalt surfaces, look for new cracks, especially ones wider than a quarter-inch, as these can quickly expand. If you have pavers, check for any that seem uneven or loose. The great thing about pavers is that individual paving stones can usually be reset without replacing the entire surface. Also, inspect the joints between pavers to make sure the sand hasn't washed away. This is your first line of defense against shifting and weed growth. Next, let's look at your patio and outdoor living areas. Pay special attention to the edges, which can be more vulnerable to shifting. After a rain, look for any standing water, which can signal drainage issues that may undermine your hardscape over time. With concrete patios, these drainage issues often require extensive repairs. A properly built paving stone patio should account for potential drainage problems and have a drainage system installed or be slightly sloped to prevent puddles and pooling. This is a good time to look for stains or moss. A quick spray with a power washer should remove most of winter's buildup and give you a clean slate for summer gatherings. Retaining walls and steps deserve careful attention too. Look for any leaning or bowing in walls, as this could indicate soil expansion during freeze-thaw cycles or heavy winter rains. Test each step for stability with a gentle push. For landscape features like outdoor kitchens or fire pits, check that all elements remain level and properly aligned. These structural elements benefit tremendously from the flexibility of pavers, which can accommodate slight ground movement without cracking or requiring complete replacement. Many post-winter issues have simple DIY solutions. For loose pavers, carefully remove them, adjust the base material, and reset them evenly with the surrounding surface. Missing joint sand? Simply sweep new polymeric sand into the gaps and lightly mist with water to activate it. For minor drainage issues, adjusting the slope might be all you need. This kind of simple maintenance is one of the major advantages of pavers over concrete. Where concrete requires demolition and replacement, pavers offer easy, targeted repairs. Some issues are better left to professionals, especially if they involve structural concerns or large areas of damage. At System Pavers, we specialize in both creating and maintaining outdoor spaces built to withstand harsh conditions. If you're dealing with large sections of sunken concrete, significant drainage problems, or leaning retaining walls, it's time to bring in expert help. And if you're tired of making these same repairs year after year, it might be time to consider upgrading to a more durable paver solution. An investment in high-quality pavers for your outdoor space is an investment in long-term durability and beauty. Unlike concrete, which typically lasts 10 to 15 years with no warranty, System Pavers paving stone projects are built to last with a 25-year workmanship warranty. They won't discolor over time, they provide endless design possibilities, and they can increase your property value rather than becoming dated and detracting from it. Most importantly, a professionally built paving stone space requires minimal upkeeps and delivers maximum peace of mind season after season, year after year. Don't wait until small problems become big ones. Visit systempavers.com today to schedule a free design consultation. We're here to help you create worry-free outdoor spaces that look beautiful, season after season.